you know, when we say that sometimes we never seen as we've seen the back of COVID, right? But I hear that COVID still keeping.
Still keeping. Yes, it's still keeping.
Alright. In these poems, you will take a tropical journey through a wide range of emotions, from the ecstatic moment of hope to the agonizing moments of despair. Drawing inspiration from the natural world, personal struggles, and moments of profound beauty, each poem takes you on a winding path through the hills and valleys of life. But above all, this collection is
Thank you.
And also I had been observing their story for a while, and I wrote this with them in mind: Descend to Rise. As I descend the stairs of my home, I focus on the lights beneath the door. It crawled towards me like a hunter. The hunter called out to me, "Come, it's okay, come." It carried the scent of freedom. Soon, this will be the last time I see this side of the door. The door that slammed shut my tears for 20 years. The door that meshed the fears of my independence. I stepped through the door with a vision of the final closing. Already my heart has a feather-like response. The squirrel looks at me and knows that something is different. My step increased confidence, my mind strong with the mantra, not taken anymore. The road I have lived for 30 years has shrunken. I see the yellow reflection of nearby buttercups for the first time cheering me on. I continue to smell the snake of freedom chasing my echoes past. The strong, black, confident woman that everyone knows is no longer a charade. It is real. He tempered my moods and controlled my thinking, my friendships, my decisions. I'm awake now, with the strength of my ancestors, led by my mom's grave, my path of pebbles now molten gold. I walk away from everything, my memories, my cell, my prison warden, my belongings. 30 years now condensed to a carload. Fearless, triumphant, supported by the seen and unseen. I will rise victorious when I close the front door for the very last time. The shackles will be left at the front doorstep. He can wipe his feet on the new doormat of shackles. He may not believe that he has lost, but I surely will know that I have won back my life. I'll be driving away one carload of new memories, new destinations, new adventures, new tomorrow, reborn, strong, black, confident, and truly independent.
In the Bahamas, I stood on the shore. Oh, sorry. Let me get the mic on. We're having technical difficulties tonight. My mic on now?
Can hear you.
Dancing in the rain. In the Bahamas, I stood on the shore, The year had been a storm and much more. The pandemic had ravaged and taken its toll. My mind was weary, my heart a gaping hole. But then the rain started to fall, a gift from the heavens washing over all. The scent of it, sweet and earthly enthralls, a balm for the senses, a comfort for the soul. The droplets tapping on my skin with a symphony, bringing light within. My spirit awakens, my heart begins to sing. The rain, a herald of hope, of new beginning. I wiggle my toes in the warmth of the sand, feeling the grit beneath them as I stand. The waves crash like drums in my ear, echoing the rhythm of life, of hope, of fear. So I raise my arms to the sky, embracing the rain with a gleeful sigh, my dress drenched in the drops like a rainbowed stream. A vision of beauty, of life, of hope, of dream. With each step I feel the sand shift beneath my feet like a sacred grip. The waters caress as it runs down my face, a soothing reminder of love, of grace. In that moment I feel so free, a new hope, a fresh start, a different me. The rain has brought me to a place of healing, renewal, of eternal grace. For it's in the rain's magical spell that my heart is healed and made well. In the Bahamas, dancing in the rain, I found myself and peace regained. The rain, a symbol of life's many woes, a reminder that healing always flows, a symbol of hope, of faith, of grace, a comfort for the weary, a warm embrace. And so I dance in the rain's embrace, a joyful celebration, a peaceful space. For in this moment I know I see that in the rain